Right education is the key to our success, and our younger generation is our future. The millennial generation in India desires to study abroad.
Hi, I want to go abroad for my studies. I have heard that Flamingo Educare is best at that. Can you please guide me?
Yes, you have come to the right place. Flamingo Educare will guide you in the best possible way for your education abroad. At Flamingo Educare, we provide excellent coaching for IELTS exam preparation. We have online training for the candidates appearing for the IELTS entrance exam. Our team of experts make sure that you are well prepared for the test.
Can you please give me more details on IELTS and online IELTS portal?
Let me take you all through the FAQs of IELTS, which will solve all your confusions.
With so many overseas consultants around, they are many a times confused in choosing the right education consultant for themselves. So, whom should they trust? Flamingo Educare is the answer to the question. Flamingo Educare is an India-based career guidance company providing excellent counseling and guidance for students who want to add more value to their career by studying abroad for gaining excellent academic as well as practical experience. We provide all services and guidance related to university application and admissions, student visa processing, and pre-departure guidance.
What is IELTS?
The International English Language Test is designed in order to help you work, study, or migrate to a country abroad where English is the native language. It generally includes countries such as Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, USA, and many more.
Who owns IELTS and who writes the test?
IELTS is jointly owned by the British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. There is an international team of writers who contributes to the IELTS test material content and ensures that it remains fair.
Are there different types of IELTS? Which type of IELTS test is suitable for me?
Yes, there are two different types of IELTS test, IELTS Academic and IELTS General. If you are a student who is applying for higher education of professional registration in an English-speaking environment, IELTS Academic is the right option for you. If you are someone who wishes to move abroad for work experience or training programs, IELTS General is the correct test for you.
What is the test format?
The IELTS test consists of 4 sections, namely listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
What is the duration of the exam?
The total test time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. You will be taking the first 3 parts, that is listening, reading, and writing part of the test on one day, and your speaking test will either be held on the same day or some day later. Each section is allotted time durations as per listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
How much is the cost?
In order to complete your IELTS test registration, you need to pay an amount of 14,700 rupees.
When can one take IELTS?
IELTS is available on 48 fixed dates a year, up to 4 times a month, depending on local demand.
How do I book my test and what do I need?
You can choose to take your IELTS test on paper or computer at one of the IELTS official test centers. To book your test, you need a valid passport and bank's card for payment. Choose from what mode of test is more comfortable to you and decide if you wish to pay online or via cash.
How is the test evaluated?
IELTS uses a 9-band scoring system to measure and report test scores in a consistent manner. You receive individual band scores for listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and an overall band score on a band scale from 1 to 9.
When does one receive the test results?
Your test report form will be posted to you 13 days after your test date. Some test centers also provide SMS alerts and an online result service. Keep your test report form in a secure place as you only receive one copy.
What is considered as a good IELTS score for application?
To make sure that you have a chance to apply at any good universities, an overall score of 6.5 bands, not less than 6, would be recommended for the same.
What if I'm absent or sick on the test day?
If you are absent on the test day with no prior notice, you will lose your full fee. However, if you provide a medical certificate within 5 days of the test date, you will receive a refund minus the local administrative cost.